Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, ship, tool, and suit capacity so you won't stall mid-process. Once equipped, open the galactic map and search for a station or outpost with a science terminal icon. That's your target. Make sure you carry basic resources, carbon and plutonium, and 2 navigation data if you plan to buy access or bribe an NPC. Move immediately toward the chosen location. Don't loot aimlessly first, because getting to the terminal fast preserves mission options and avoids hostile encounters. Once docked or landed, approach the tech or research wing where the science terminal sits. Interact and select the research or science menu. This reveals upload slots, investigation missions, and blueprint trades. If you have data modules, upload them to progress storylines. If not, pick short investigation tasks to gain access. Make sure to use the terminal's crafting and trade options to convert resources into technology blueprints and nanites. This both advances objectives and improves your station reputation, which unlocks deeper science pathways. Finish by completing the uploads or missions listed in the terminal and accept any follow-up story quests. Rewards are usually blueprints and nanites. Once received, return to your ship or base to install new technology and test it in a non-hostile system to confirm functionality. If the terminal seems unresponsive, first reload your save or exit and re-enter the station. Then check your mission log and inventory for required items. Make sure to clear any stalled quests. Sometimes deleting a duplicate mission resolves the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.